E2 from KLM. Well, there's a nice surprise. I have not yet flown the E2. It's the 195 E2, I think it is. It's pretty expensive for the airlines to actually take an aircraft out of service to come to the show. KLM Cityhopper. Quite a long bird, isn't it? All of those engines is crazy. What you can't experience is all just that accelerating the engines. The wind coming off of that is insane. So if they're gonna have a flying display, this is probably gonna be one of them that's flying tomorrow. All right. So that one is in KLM livery. The other one that's next to it is also a 195E2. And that one is in the Embraer livery. Okay, and here comes